Hello, nan zaten kalau muak le sal, tu mi kan zirding mi expression to do away with something. To do away with something. Pundang dewi kan simasile to get rid of something. Okay, to do away with something ti chu lai tong ngun von let se la tua la bansano tinon la solo ti pungsan sipai chu ti. Okay, chimna ka tu hi indron zawi ti dai bur ka keng ti. Indron zawi kavek. Ti dai bur keng phain video tua chu zau na rem lau tuk. Na ti dai bur kha adang are to ti in sim du si le. You need to do away with the bottle. Ti I need to do away with the bottle. Tu le ka re ti adanga. Chun ka na jeng lai, ball pen lai, indron zawi zau na rem lau to ko na nai thil ka na ball pen ka adang are to ti in sim du si le. You need to do away with the pen. I need to do away with the pen. Chule ka re ti adanga. To do away with something ti zia chu thimna ka narwal pa kha zuwa in ring nangin le zu in that lau zia na thei si rol zu in hi chu thalau tu ke chol sano ti na sim du si le. You need to do away with drinking. Chu ti si lau le kwak afop ringi gwak fo hi chu ban sano thalau tu ke ti na sim du si le. You need to do away with smoking. Tio. You need to stop smoking. You need to stop drinking. Anga thau mo asinan amirang tong kha amoy lau tuk. Ati raw tuk. You need to do away with drinking. You need to do away with smoking na bon tile. Amirang tong kha perfect native speaker poli na ngai na ka amoy tuk. Chimna ka fala na si tlangwal na nei kan bon tike. Chun na tlangwal pa khan na nu le na pan an lau pi sa lau azuwa to kiti. Chuti silen na nu le pa khan nang ma kha. You need to do away with your boyfriend. Chuti silaw le tlangwal na si fala na nei ti. Na nu le na pan na fala nu kha an lau pi sa lau. Aler tok kan bon ti pai zo. Chuti silen nu le na pa in nang ma kha. You need to do away with your girlfriend. An lau ti thai mo. Okay, aleng kan bia kok na ka jang tin kan mang ding example kan rak ngai ta ding I need to do away with my knuckle cracking. It's a hard habit to break. I know, it's almost impossible. Want me to help? I need to do away with my knuckle cracking. It's a hard habit to break. I know, it's almost impossible. Want me to help? Okay, knuckle cracking ti mi chu hi ti kan kut zung kan khia mi kha berang ta kan knuckle cracking kan ti mo ambia kok na ka khan arol pa in ti ka kut zung hi ka khiak ringi hi mi zia za hi ban san ka du e ti ti so le arol pa in you want me to help ti ti okay ambia kok na ka kan bon ngai bet sal dingi next lesson na kan tong sal ding bye bye. I need to do away with my knuckle cracking. It's a hard habit to break. I know, it's almost impossible. Want me to help? I need to do away with my knuckle cracking. It's a hard habit to break. I know, it's almost impossible. Want me to help?